Every engineer student knows the struggle hunting for a syllabus PDF, worrying about interview prep, and trying to fix the resume that never seems good. We have the content, but we don't have the unified system to make us better. Enter VOrbit. Hello, I am Prathamesh Nitnore from the third year computer department of VIT. Think of this as a personal AI powered engineering ecosystem. Whether it's an AI protector that connects your body language or a holographic resume analyzer that visualizes your skill, VOrbit uses Google Cloud and advanced machine learning to turn academic theory into career readiness. As you can see, I've registered as a new user, so it's asking me for my registration number, that is roll number, my phone number, my branch, my CGPA, my short bio, which I will not put now, and next finish setup. So this is a VOrbit dashboard. It's a real-time dashboard which uses NLP analysis to track the records history according to which the graph is generated, as well as the recent activity, as you can see over here. We'll move forward and come back to dashboard and see the thing. So let's move to the Insight-VIT. As you can see in Insight-VIT, we have to select a particular subject for which we want to ask question. As of now, I've updated the subjects like artificial intelligence, distributed system, warehouse, software engineering, system processing, and global search. So I'm gonna ask the question like, what is the syllabus of Model 6? As I ask the question, what are the topics that are to be studied in Model 6? Here are the topics that it gave, like NLP, deep learning, computer vision, robotics, etc. As of I've just updated the AAP. From here you can see the source document from which it is giving the answer. This is the AAP of artificial intelligence, which is from the same 5. Now let's move on to the resume scorer. In this you have to paste the role and the description that you're applying for. I've updated my resume over here, and let's see what AI scans and generates the hologram. As of in my resume, there's nothing about system designing yet available, so the hologram that is generated is like this. And it gave us a suggestion for which role and thing we need to apply and what it lacks. Now moving on to another feature that is interview, mock V. So here I'll put a job description or job title. As of I will say the difficult question count 1, job description which is optional, which I will not put it now, and the resume. And let's see what AI generates the question. As I have given the only answer is hello, hello, hello. So the technical, it has given me technical analysis, communication style, and final decision. It has given a proper, full, complete solution in which I need to upgrade myself, improve, and all. So from here, let's return to dashboard. And see, as you can see on dashboard, the confidence trend is going up slowly but slowly, one by one, which is real time, and the recent activity as well. The confidence level is also shown as 70%. So that's all for the project VOrbit. Thank you.